Thank you. Hi, I'm Miss Marielle. So this is J Park Island. So I think it would be better for me to explain the park here because we have the bird's eye view. So I have here Ma'am Dindy, my tour guide of the day. Okay, ma'am. So dito muna tayo. I'm on the 9th floor. I have a separated video of this room, but nonetheless, so these are the villas that we are eyeing. Ito po sila. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna have a separate video of the villas, but apparently the main attraction of J Park are the pools. This is the main pool, and then they also have other pools there. Meron po silang wave pool, and then they also have a river pool and something, and also connected to the water amenities from jet ski, parasailing, island hopping, and also non-motorized na mga like paddle boats and everything. So just would like to, that's why I would like to take this video, ma'am, that this is the public place open to guests who are checked in and also to non-checked in guests, which is day tour sila. So the villas that we are eyeing are here, scattered around. Pwede po siyang lakaran, open to, we don't have any restrictions for the public to go near the villas, but of course they cannot enter the villa, but they can walk around the villas. I'm gonna have a separate video of one villa. How many villas do we have here po?
Total of 48, but 24 units.
Okay, 24 units. Okay, ma'am.